Welcome to another video from the farm. Today we're carrying on with a load of bag filling. We're going to do a few more levels on the roundhouse. Got 6 left from the little bag filling session I did the other day. I've got my mate here, Sam, helping me today. So we're going to try and smash out as much of this pile as we can. See if we can get at least 2 or 3 levels bagged up. We've got a decent pile built up. So as you can see by the way, I've absolutely decimated this 3 or 4 ton of subsoil. The chop bar and shoveling method with our bag fillers here, it's working really well for us. Got quite a few done today. I have just been trialling out this tool here, which works pretty well as well. Bit of a pickaxe shovel combination. I don't know what the proper name for this tool is. If you do, leave a comment below. Carry the rest over for a layer, get them smashed in. So I'm putting on the barbed wire, but I'm locking it to this door frame at the same time with a big U-bolt fence staple, whatever you call them. So then hopefully the door frame should be locked in nice and tight with all these bags by the time I get to the top, because yeah, I'm going to be attaching it every single level of bag all the way up. So this should be rock solid in here. Should be able to have a nice strong door on here. So I just want to point out how effective this sort of small tamper is as well. I've seen a lot of people trying to make their own tamper for doing earthbag work like this, or using one that's designed for doing large areas for when you're doing like a block paving scenario. These are the sort you want. Weighs about 20 kilos. It's got pretty much all of your weight going in a nice little, what's that, 4x4 yeah, 4-inch square area. So you get a nice amount of compaction with each hit, and it's not actually that heavy to repeatedly use, unlike the big ones. And as you can see, it gets a real nice compacted level surface. All right then, she's coming along very nicely now. 5 rows in, so about a quarter of the way there. So we're already really strong without even putting any mortar on this. This is why I decided to build a circular building this time rather than a square, because kicking the wall pretty hard there. If that was just normal blocks, I'd have probably kicked that over. But yeah, as it's all knitted together in a circular motion, can't knock it inwards. And then no real wobble outwards either, apart from the top row, obviously, because it's got no weight on it. So a really strong method so far. I'm liking the circular build. Right, I think we'll leave this video here. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so you can catch the next one, where I'll be starting to give these little gaps around the bottom here and in between the bags a bit of a mortar in. Strengthen this bottom layer up before I start getting too high. Going to be using a similar sort of mortar to what I used last time. So it's sort of fine-ish sand, got a little bit of stone in there as well. And then we're going to go for like a 1:3 ratio, so we've got a nice strongish coat to go in between the cracks, and then we'll go over the top with another coat, sort of smooth it off a bit. But initially, just going to do all these little cracks in between the bags on each row, so we can lock each row together in a nice ring of mortar. The mortar was really effective when we did it on the earthbag well house. We had a massive storm, wall started to bow a bit, mortared it, and then yeah, didn't move again, and we had lots of rain. And we're starting to get rain here now. We're probably going to have a lot of rain over the next week here or so whilst we're actually finishing this build off. So yeah, mortar all round is a good idea. And we'll probably end up getting another bag, maybe 2 bags high, and then we'll put the windows in as well. It's been a long old day. Fortunately, I've had my friends here to help me get some of this done. Time for me to go and get cleaned up now. Right then, until next time, bye bye.